Today we are traveling to Uttarakhand. Yes, beautiful mountains, amazing landscape and such warm people. But you know what wins? Their food. Yes, it is so simple yet so flavorful. So let's get started with my personal favorite dish, Kafuli. Now let's get started with the recipe, and for that I'm going to grind some garlic, some green chilies, but I prefer little more being that Pahadi DNA, and dry coriander seeds. How many of you have this memory of your grandmom doing this in their kitchens? Well, I have a memory where my grandfather used to help my grandmom doing this intense chore. Of course, this was their way of burning calories in the kitchen. As you can see, we have coarsely grounded this and our mixture is ready. Those who don't have mortar pestle can also do this in a mixer and a blender jar. Now we are taking soaked rice, and this is a very important thing to be added to Kafuli. Those who are not okay doing this tedious task, they can also take rice flour, make a slurry and add it to the spinach curry. Now I'm going to add some water. Now let's begin the process of making Kafuli. I'm going to add a little mustard oil. You can also use any other oil of your choice. Let the oil heat till the smoking point. This is a very essential point when you are specially cooking in mustard oil. Turn off the gas when you see smoke coming out and let it cool for some time. I'm going to add whole dried chilies. This dish is amazing because of one of my favorite ingredients which we have bought from Uttarakhand, and this is Jakhiya. Those who don't know where you will get this, they can easily use the mustard seeds. Jeera is optional. And now we are adding this masala which we made in the mortar and pestle. This is the time when I'm going to add spinach into it. Well, you all must be wondering why I have not added salt. There is a small tip that if you add salt in the end, the color of the spinach will be intact. Now I'm adding turmeric and of course salt according to the taste. We'll give it a good mix and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now, as you can see, we made this slurry of fresh rice which was soaked for 2 to 3 hours and added to the spinach. Now we will let it cook for another 5 minutes. As I told you earlier, see this tip where the spinach color has not changed. The tip really did wonders. So I want all of you to definitely try this tip because our spinach is going to be bright green just like this Kafuli curry. Such a humble and such clean flavors dish, Kafuli, bringing you all the way from the land of Uttarakhand. Well, continue giving us love and keep watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. This is Chef Sherie signing off for now.